Hey there lovely people, I'm Bushra S Khan and you're watching Be Beautiful. अक्सर मैं अपना मेकअप लगाने में इतना टाइम लगा देती हूँ कि मेरे पास बाल बनाने का वक्त नहीं रहता है. So I end up leaving my hair loose or I wear a shabby top knot. Not anymore though. Because I've learned to put together a beautiful bun and in all of 2 minutes. If you're looking for something that's dreamy and quick and easy, then keep watching. Step 1. Section. Take a center part. Clip 2-inch section of hair away from either side. Step 2. Tease. Give your crown some height and volume by teasing sections and setting it with a hairspray. Step 3. Roll it. Grab the rest of your hair and gently twist it. Pull at the twists to loosen it and give it a more carefree look. When you are satisfied with how it looks, pin it at the nape of your neck with bobby pins. Make sure that the crown still has volume and height. Tug a little with your tail comb if it has become flat. Step 4. Twist the front. Unclip the front section. Take the right section, leave a few face framing tendrils of hair and twist the rest. Pull at the twist to fan it out and pin it exactly on the bun. Repeat the same on the left section and curl the face framing pieces. Step 5. Set it. Set everything in place with some hairspray. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful. Keep watching.